guys, we're finally sitting down to enjoy some lunch in the old town of Dubrovnik. I have ordered a salmon fillet with some bulgur, and Gary's got the tuna steak with a white bean, tomato and pancetta salad. Hi Gary.
Hi guys, we have finally arrived at Dubrovnik, the beautiful old city. We are going to explore now and see what we can find. It was a bit of a journey just to get down here. The ferry was late and it took like 5 hours. So just had lunch and let's see what we can find. Hey guys, look what I found. The Walk of Atonement, the famous scene from Game of Thrones. Shame, shame. So we are exploring the city wall, guys. Finally we found it. It's a bit of a hike just to be able to find this beautiful wall, and once you do find it, the view is absolutely spectacular. It's absolutely well worth trying to find this wall.
Also, just to add in, it does take about an hour to complete the tour in total.
Yep, so make sure you guys have water. It'll take about an hour. This is amazing. This is such a beautiful old city. We are loving this walk. Very hot, but absolutely it feels like you are actually in Game of Thrones. We're actually on the wall right now, where a number of times you've seen the old, the soldiers with their full armor gear. They were protecting the King's Landing. But just check this beautiful city out. Absolutely incredible. It's so good to see that they've actually preserved the city for everyone to see and cherish.
Where are my dragons?
Okay, so all the Game of Thrones fans, right behind me is the House of the Undying. This is where season 2nd or the 3rd, I can't remember, Daenerys' dragons are taken away and they were kept in this fortress. It is pretty cool and it's actually real. And check out this sensational view of the old town Dubrovnik. Hi ladies and gentlemen, and that's supposed to be King's Landing right behind me. So we're kind of doing this self searching Game of Thrones type of walking tour. They've got official tours around here, but it's always good to do your own thing and see what you can find. So far we found King's Landing, we found House of the Undying, we found the spot where the War of Blackwater, we also found the Walk of Atonement, where Cersei walked naked. So I think in total we found like 5 spots so far.
So we're just sitting down for some dinner. I've got the tuna steak today and it looks absolutely delicious with some veggies and mashed potatoes. And check out Gary's seafood platter. It looks absolutely
It's like
amazing.
every single time I'm just having my Aperol spritz, every single video. I love Aperol spritz. I literally live off these. guys, this is our last evening in Dubrovnik. We are heading off to Istanbul tomorrow morning nice and early. We just got back from Montenegro. We did a day tour, and I'll be making a separate video. I flew with my drone, but yeah, tomorrow we are visiting Istanbul.
I absolutely cannot wait to see what the city has to offer, and especially looking forward to trying some Turkish food. See you then!